When we look at evil in the world, the real question isn't if evil exists. It definitely exists. We know it exists. The real question is why evil not only exists, but gets protected in the church, in Christian organizations, in Christian contexts. Because sometimes we find ourselves in a system where the system is designed, it's built to protect itself. And how does this happen? This happens when image matters more than truth, when leadership is distant, when accountability is weak. In those kind of contexts, evil doesn't just exist, it actually thrives. It gets sustained. And this is the situation we find ourselves in particularly the Pentecostal and charismatic movements. And I'm speaking about this because we see so much abuse happening in those contexts. And at that point, the problem isn't just sin anymore, it's the structure itself. So if we are going to combat abuse, if we are going to protect the sheep, we need to confront the structure. The structure that allows for a continual existence, continual habitat where abuse is not only normalized, it's protected, it's hidden, and it's sustained.